the problem is that you have, policy definitions are usually written in text somewhere, right? Well, we shall do this, we shall do that. Where they're enforced, if they're enforced manually, then there's slowness and delays and human error. And the same thing is true for the record keeping. There can be errors in the record keeping, there can be gaps in the record keeping. And then if you take it across the estate, go back to the kind of the real life view away from the design view, you have to be able to observe this across your organization. So how do you know which repos have enforced the pull requests or not, or which ones are even required to do so? And of those that are doing it, how many of those changes have actually been enforced? Has it been unenforced in the past? So you have this whole observability problem. And that is where a lot of the pain of audit comes in, right? Because you need to be able to prove it not just now, right now at this instant, but across all of your time. So that's why the auditor asked for a lot of historical evidence that this control has been effective over time.